Have you ever noticed your child with a cough that just seems to linger, a dry, tickly sound that does not bring anything up? It can be concerning when that cough persists, especially if it keeps them awake at night or interrupts their playtime. A child's persistent dry cough is most commonly caused by a lingering viral infection, such as a cold or the flu, which irritates the airways and can take several weeks to fully resolve. Sometimes, it is also a sign of postnasal drip, where mucus from the nose drips down the back of the throat, triggering the cough reflex. The primary reason these coughs persist is often due to inflammation in the respiratory passages left over from the initial infection. Even after the main symptoms like fever or congestion have cleared, the lining of the throat and airways can remain sensitive and inflamed. This heightened sensitivity means that even minor irritants, like dry air or changes in temperature, can trigger a dry cough. In cases of postnasal drip, the constant irritation from mucus flowing down the throat directly stimulates the cough receptors. To help your child feel more comfortable, you can start by ensuring they stay well hydrated with plenty of water or clear broths, which can help soothe the throat. Using a cool mist humidifier in their room, especially at night, can also add moisture to the air and reduce irritation. Additionally, for children over 1 year old, a teaspoon of honey can provide natural cough relief by coating the throat and reducing the urge to cough. Always consult with a doctor before giving any over-the-counter cough or cold medicines to young children. One interesting detail is that a persistent dry cough in children, particularly one that worsens at night, might sometimes be a sign of a condition called cough variant asthma. This is a type of asthma where the only symptom is a chronic dry cough, rather than the more typical wheezing. Also, consider environmental factors. Exposure to secondhand smoke or even strong fragrances can irritate sensitive airways and prolong a dry cough. Understanding the common triggers and knowing simple, effective remedies empowers you to support your child's recovery and bring them comfort during what can be a bothersome experience. Paying attention to other symptoms and their duration will also help you know when it is time to seek advice from your pediatrician, ensuring your little one gets back to feeling their best.